This is Minetruck MT33, a new, upgraded 33 tons mine truck that makes its way on the stage of the underground in medium drifts. Built on years of experience and based on the reliable Minetruck MT436, it brings lots of improvements in areas such as safety, productivity, reliability, and operator comfort, so you can haul in big style.
Minetruck MT33 brings the legacy of Minetruck MT436B further. While maintaining our 33 tons capacity, we have integrated advanced technology to enhance its safety and productivity, keeping robustness and simplicity at core of this machine.
Inspired by Epiroc's large truck segment, the Minetruck MT33 includes numerous safety features that have been rigorously field tested. Operators enjoy greater visibility thanks to the newly added right-hand side camera alongside the existing rear camera. And they will experience a smooth, safe drive with enhanced control while on descents as a result of the engine's Jake brake.
An important feature to highlight is door open brake apply. It automatically applies the brakes if door is open or opens accidentally during the operation. It prevents unintended movement of the truck.
Additionally, the Minetruck MT33 now has factory-fitted emergency stops with easy access in case of hazardous situations. Safety is seamlessly paired with exceptional productivity in this new truck. With a loading capacity of 33 tons, the Minetruck MT33 is a perfect match to Epiroc's 10-ton underground loader. It can haul up to 330 tons per shift in drifts of up to 3-meter height. A significant addition is the new programmable logic controller PLC display. Like the rig control system, RCS, on Epiroc's larger trucks, the PLC display is a micro RCS offering a light version. This enhances data access and visualization, enabling operators to monitor and optimize productivity, performance, and maintenance needs effortlessly.
Epiroc's advanced control system, combined with reliable sensors, monitors real-time data. This information is then presented to operator through a display, providing indicators, warnings, and alerts that can be addressed in a good time. As a result, your underground operations become easier, more efficient, and safer.
A major productivity boost in the new Minetruck MT33 is the automatic transmission. With automatic gear shifting, operators experience smoother and faster acceleration, reduced fatigue, and consistent performance. In addition, the new Minetruck MT33 features an ergonomic seat, improved air conditioning, and conveniently positioned controls for a more comfortable shift underground. Reliability adds the final touch to this newly upgraded underground truck. With more accessible service due to the information flow from the PLC display, the Minetruck MT33 features strategically positioned main components for increased protection and extended life. Moreover, it is equipped with an engine delay shutdown and soft stops, making this robust machine ready for any underground hauling assignments.
With high productivity, low maintenance cost, and reliable components, the new Minetruck MT33 is one of the best underground trucks in its segment. The efficient preventive maintenance and service with easy access to filters and service points helps to minimize the downtime while keeping your operations ongoing.
Drawing on years of experience, the new Minetruck MT33 offers remarkable advancements in safety, productivity, operator comfort, and reliability. With its cutting-edge design, you can be sure to keep on hauling underground in big style.